Hi everybody, Dan with Feldmann Imports here, and today we have a 2007 Toyota Camry. This vehicle comes in a red exterior with a gray interior. Alright, we'll take a look in the trunk next. Back we have our Toyota Camry and LE badging. Trunk space back here. Rear seats. Take a quick look up at the front of the vehicle. And we'll look at our driver's side next. Driver door controls, driver seat controls, driver seat, steering wheel. And we do have a turnkey ignition here. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 119,258. And here we have our display here with the radio. We have climate control and our shifter. If you're interested in getting additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.